So how do these instant toolless connectors work? Before you get started, you'll need to prepare the cable as you normally would, stripping it to the standard spec. As you might expect, you'll need to pull back the braided shield. Now you just select the right ITC for the job, and just push. Done! You just made the connection. Nope, that's not coming off. ITC exceeds industry pull strength standards for compression and crimp cable termination. Our torsional strain relief system makes cable management and complex installs a breeze. Ever botch an install? ITC can help you redeem yourself. Strip the cable jacket just behind the plug. Just the outer jacket, okay? Work the inner portion of the cable out of the connector and free of the outer jacket. Pinch and wiggle the jacket free. Give the connector a tap and dislodge any remaining material. Voila! Ready for another go-around. You're looking at our floating ring that provides grip and enables torsional strain relief. Another key feature is our center pin capture system. This innovation secures the center conductor for a connection that will inspire confidence. Durable, reliable, ITC connectors save time, money, and keep your customers happy. See a connection? For more info, check us out on the web. And remember, just push.